Successful Forex traders keep what is called a trading journal. It is a way to measure, track, and stay focused on improving your performance. This is seen in many different professions. The best athletes keep track of what is making them better, faster, and stronger in their sport. Researchers and scientists use journals to keep track of their testing to help them discover things quicker. And profitable, successful Forex traders use journals to stay disciplined and keep track of their trades and what's working and not working. You can't just rely on what is logged by your broker. It only tells you the transaction history, like the prices of your entry and exit and the time you executed the trade, but it doesn't tell you why you entered the trade and exited trades. A trading journal is meant to help you refine your methods and master your emotions before, during, and after a trade. So what does that mean exactly? Well, let me just give you a classic example. Let's say your trading system signals for you to buy Euro USD, but instead you're feeling like that's not a good trade to take. Luckily, you stay disciplined and decide you're going to follow your trading strategy to a T, like we've learned, right? So you get into the trade anyway. Your price starts out great and you're in profit. But then, during the middle of your trade, the price gets to just 2 pips away from hitting your stop loss. And you think to yourself, I knew it. I shouldn't have taken this trade. I'll close now to at least save those 2 pips before it hits my stop loss. So you close your trade, and then guess what happens? Not long after, the price shoots all the way up to your original profit target. So had you just followed your trading system and stayed in the trade, you would have made a good profit on that trade. This is exactly why you should keep a trading journal on all of your trades. If you veer away from your trading system and start closing or opening trades based on how you're feeling, you will certainly fail. So many times traders fail to stay in a trade or fail to get into a trade based on their trading system because they let their emotions take over. So don't be one of those traders. Follow your trading system like a robot with no emotions. You just execute trades based on the rules of your system. Got it? All right, so let's move on to more on trading journals.
Hey, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you join our free Discord channel to get access to all the cheat sheets and a bunch of other cool bonuses. The next video in the course is right here.